So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 30th, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Fox Development Holdings, stock symbol FOXX. It is up today 161% or $4.66, trading at $7.56. Since this morning, it already traded 11 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $150 million. So what can I tell you about this company? It used to trade at $10 a share 6 months ago. Then it collapsed all the way to like $2. While it was collapsing, there was a lot of trading. It was just basically kind of like a dead stock. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock that nobody wanted to trade is producing 11 million shares in trading volume. So it looks like something major was released. I'm not sure what it is, but you should probably take a look and find out, because it looks pretty powerful, and the fact that we have both the volume and the price spiking basically kind of tells you that this thing might be going much higher than $7.58 we have right now. So take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So Fox Development Holdings, stock symbol FOXX, only $7.49 a share. Next one is Alpha Modus Holdings, stock symbol AMOD. It is up today 166% or $2.59, trading at $4.13 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 86 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $150 million. So what can I tell you about that stock? Well, first of all, it looks like this is a very recent IPO, meaning that the stock started to trade on the market barely a month ago on December 16th. This is when it hit the market at the price of $5.60. However, it couldn't sustain itself there, so it collapsed to $1 over the last month and a half. So while it was collapsing, nobody was touching it, nobody was trading it. So basically it was kind of like unknown, unwanted, undesired stock. However, some kind of news were released today, and suddenly we have 87 million shares trading hands. And that kind of tells you that whatever they released had very positive reaction on the market. A lot of new buyers are coming in and trying to, acquire those shares. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. And just from my personal experience, when the company goes IPO or goes through initial public offering and starts trading on the stock market, these guys are usually trying to work extra hard to prove to investors that they're not a fluke, they're not a fake, that they got something real there, they represent value, because they need to win those investors. Because without the buyer support, their stock would just collapse, what they just saw in the last month. So take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So Alpha Modus Holdings, stock symbol AMOD, only $4.22 a share. Next one is Aclarion Inc., stock symbol ACON. It is up 72% or $6.66, trading at $15.85. Oh my God, it's no longer a penny stock at $15, but oh, by the way, something is up there because it only traded 335,000 shares. So I think this is not really a big jump. I think this is kind of like a reverse split where the company is trying to save itself from being delisted from the stock market. So if I were you, I don't know, I would probably skip that company. So next one is Kaseya Therapeutics Limited, stock symbol KZIA. It is up today 48% or 66 cents, trading at $2.05 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 90 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $11 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock that usually, are being kind of traded kind of low, because if they're just in the process of development of some, medication, then usually nobody wants to touch it because it's a very risky business. Sometimes it takes months to years to actually get a product out the door, such as a medication. So, but if these guys, show some kind of progress in the development of this medication, such as conducting clinical trials where the medication is being used on real people, and it shows that, it fights whatever disease it's designed to fight successfully, this is when the market kind of like gets, very aware, very interested in such stocks. And suddenly, the stock that's not being traded much attracts, 90 million shares in trading volume in one day, when yesterday it was 0. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of disease or what kind of medication they're trying to design, and what news they release that are kind of like pumping their stock so well. So take a look and maybe put some money into it, because guess what? Even if you pull the trigger right now and invest at $2.04, your upside potential is $7. That's where it used to trade on November 1st of last year. So if you buy at $2, sell at $7, that's a 350% gain, potential gain, obviously. So take a look, see what's going on there. Next one is Nanovibronics, stock symbol NAOV. It is up 43% or 16 cents, trading at 55 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 60 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $10 million. So I think this is also a typical pharmaceutical penny stock, because we have the word nano there and Vibronics. So I might be wrong, but I have a feeling that this is the case. So especially if you look at the trading pattern for that stock, last 6 months, no activity. Nobody's trading it. Nobody cares about that stock. So basically, it's kind of like, invisible to the market, so to speak. However, just like I said on the previous stock, if they start to show some progress with whatever medication they're developing, then the market becomes very interested in that stock. So, and the fact that you got 61 million shares being traded this morning kind of tells you that a lot of new buyers are coming in and pushing the stock, pretty high. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because even if you decide to pull the trigger at 56 cents a share, and this thing was trading just in December at 80 cents a share, you could gain at least like 20% gain on that stock. But with pharmaceutical stocks, if they findings or the news that they announced actually being confirmed by, other like big pharma or government agencies such as NIH or FDA or whatever, right? Then these stocks usually go much, much higher. But it's up to you to read the news and kind of like make a judgment for yourself. But the combination of spike in trading volume and also spike in a stock price kind of gives you that winning combination that possibly will take the stock much higher. So Nanovibronics, stock symbol NAOV, only 55 cents a share. Next one is Saks Parenta Golf, stock symbol SPGC. It is up 33% or 19 cents, trading at 78 cents a share. So take a look, something is happening there. It's trading 96 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap is only $10 million. So thank you.